I wanted to take a moment and share something. As a YouTube creator for a long time, there was a while where Amazon was paying me semi decent money. It was not a lot, but a couple $100s a month. And then I switched off of it because it just is not been worth it. My sales, I was making $30 a month, $40 a month, just not worth focusing on. And so I switched. I just wasn't interested in doing it anymore. And then today I just got off a call with a company called Link Opener. And I'm going to show you kind of what happened with them. This is a very, actually, I don't know if I paid anything, but check out linkopener.com. I have these links on my YouTube channel, and you can see this one's opened almost 500 times. This one, a little over 100, little over 100, about 100, right? So not a whole lot, but this is starting August 3rd, 2023, August 5th, 5th, 3rd, 3rd, 5th, 3rd. Okay, now if we go over here and you look, this is July. This is my standard earnings, maybe $1 a day, very, very little. And then right here on August 3rd, something happened. You can see here, this has, looks like doubled and tripled and even quadrupled what I'm making per day. This has gone from being something where I'm like, I don't want to do Amazon affiliate anymore, super not worth it, to actually, if I spend a little bit of time, I could make $400 or $500 a month, which would be really meaningful to me and my family. And so in my channel, I mean, you saw the number of links clicked during this range. It's maybe less than 1,000 clicks, Amazon. If you are making $1,000 a month from Amazon already and you're watching this, go over to them. I just talked with Pooja, Pooja. She was fantastic. She guided me through the whole process. Very thankful. And I'm making this video out of gratitude. So again, you can see here, right when I started with them, I think this is awesome. And again, here's right here, my links with them. You can see not a ton. Oh, and they just started the option where you can log into a YouTube app, ask for permissions to your YouTube account, and it will automatically change all of your current links into these link opener links. Oh, and I should explain what the link opener does. So if someone's using their phone and which is where most people watch their YouTube videos, if someone's using their phone and they click on the Amazon link in your description, it will open a web browser and not their Amazon app. That's the problem. That is a problem because they're not logged in Safari or whatever web browser it is. They have to log in. They can purchase. They don't always do that. There's a handful of additional steps where when it opens in the app, it's immediately tracked, and people are very used to buying that way. So they say, 4x is a normal improvement. They're right. It is. And like I said, I don't know if I'm paying anything for their service. I think I'm still on the free plan. Go over to them. You can tell them I sent you. I don't get anything for it. I'm just sharing my gratitude. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you are a content creator and you like this, put a comment. Let me know your channel and that this had an impact on you. It's making Amazon affiliate sales seem as a viable income stream again. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.